G'day, welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups, proudly sponsored by Minisport. Don't forget to use Tomo's Tune-Ups 5% at the discount code on their website to save yourself 5% off your total cart for the Australian Minisport website. So we are going to be talking about exhaust manifold gaskets to suit your classic mini engine. So there are a couple of different types depending on the engine size. This here is a 850 that is very worn, is going to be getting some refreshing soon, which you'll see on another episode. They also do them from the 850 all the way up to 1275. Now, depending what size engine you have, you will need a different type of gasket. By that, I mean the different size ports inside here. So where the air is actually flowing in compared to the exhaust ports on the outer and inside edges. So essentially, you've got the standard size gasket, and you also have a big bore. So big bore might be something that you've got poured and polished. It might be a 850 with a ported head, or it could be a 1275, might even be a 998. Depending on what size cylinder head you have, you will need a different gasket to suit. Now, obviously, if it's a 8-port head or it's a 6-port, whatever it may be, you do need to buy the right gasket to suit it. These are something that are a wear and tear item, and generally every time I take the exhaust manifold off either Grace or Poppy in this instance, or any engine, I generally just get a new one of these. The reason why is they do break down over time, they can leak and then introduce issues with it, such as running rough and running lean. All those sort of things can play a big contributing factor. Not only that, but also the clamping force in which is applied to this via the inlet and exhaust manifolds. A lot of people generally just slap them on with a washer, tighten up and away you go, or machine down half of the washer to be able to give that proper clamping force. It is important to make sure that this is clamped properly to the cylinder head, and if you haven't, make sure you check your inlet and exhaust manifolds to make sure they're completely flush. If they're not, take it off, get it milled down to the same size. That way when you put the new washers on here and the nuts, you tighten them up and it squeezes it and therefore seals it on the cylinder head. As I said, this can introduce a lot of problems and is very easily overlooked when you are trying to tune an engine. You want to make sure that your engine is running in optimum performance and, more importantly, power. That way you can ensure you're going to get the best efficient burn out of the engine. As I said, this is easily overlooked, and when you're tuning an engine, you should always check for air leaks first. This is one of the first things I'll check besides the carburetor to ensure that it's breathing nice and easily and there's no external leaks whatsoever. Sometimes they do have a little bit of carbon around the exhaust ports where it might be leaking, and that is a very good indication to say that we've got a problem. When you've got your manifold off, make sure you put a flat edge on there to ensure that it is completely flat, there's no warping, and if there is, make sure you get it fixed at a machine shop. But yeah, essentially a couple of different types of gaskets available at Minisport. If you're not sure, make sure you hit them up or check them out at www.minisport.com.au, and catch you on the next episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.